Hey guys, and welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, when you want to data log in your BMW, it is definitely critical that you want to be able to charge your device at the very same time. Now, I've been doing data logging via Bluetooth for a little over 3 years now, and I use the JB4 Connect kit, which sends the signal from the JB4, so I have the JB4 G5 ISO, to my JB4 mobile app. So I'm able to do that Bluetooth, no cords, no nothing. Been doing that for quite some time now. And then when I want to charge my phone at the same time when I'm data logging, I just use the Apple charger as far as connected right into my console. But the problem with that is I always hated like having it connected to a charger, so I have to undo a charge and all that kind of stuff. Going through my news feed on Instagram, I kept coming across this wireless charger called Magnet Mount. Now, what I liked about it is that you could just plop your phone right up there, it's charging, and you're good to go. Because I'm always in and out of my car a lot, so I wanted something that I can just plop on there, take right off, and to be fine. Now obviously you have to have a device that supports wireless charging, so I have the iPhone XS. Now this also of course works with the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, XS Max, and of course my phone that I already have. Now it also supports on the Samsung side as well, which is like the S8, S7, and a few of the Note ones. Now the wireless charging works great as far as what you need to do to your phone. So here's the charger right here by Magnet Mount. And I just have it plugged right into my console here. It's just as simple as this. Now I do have a case on my phone, and what they do supply in the box, so that way you guys can do this, is that you're gonna need to install this little metal ring right on your phone underneath. So this is what I have on mine. Here's what I have on the back of my phone. Now, not to worry, supplies this clear film that you put on your phone, so that way you're not gonna mess up your phone by having a little metal ring rubbing against it, which is very nice. They're thinking about that, so of course you got that. Covers the phone. It's very thin, it's very flat. You can't tell anything with it on the case. So put it back in my Apple case. This is a actual Apple case, and with the Magnet Mount like this, holds it just fine. Strong. You have your phone up like this. Let's say you're driving, you want to put it, instead of this way, you want to put it landscape mode, you got landscape mode. You want to put it all different directions, wherever you have the magnet at, where it's going to be charging on your phone device. So you want to make sure you have it in the right proximity on your phone, so that way you can go ahead and get it charged correctly. But one more thing to add is that they also offer this 3M kind of adapter. So it attaches to your vent clip. And with this 3M, you just adjust. See, it's got a little button right here, so that way you can adjust it to get over the vent. But all you're doing is sticking it right in that, and look at that. This makes it nice because let's say you want to put it on your dash like this, you can do that. Or you can also put it in your home. So if you want to have it in your house and set up at your desk or something, or you can just plop your phone right on there, you can use it as a wireless charger just like that. So just on the vent, like I said, you just push the button and you can go ahead and put it on wherever vent one that you want to do. Matter of just turning your car on. You'll see the little blue light come on. Take your phone right here. Charging. Simple as that. Landscape. Charging. So you want to go in the JB4 mobile app. Do some data logging. Wait for it to connect. Do some data logging. There you go. Gets a little icon up there. And let's say you want to do landscape mode. Data logging. You can pivot it. This moves a little bit. You don't have to have it the way it's facing. So I can like tilt it up a little bit. But the good thing is, since it is wireless, it doesn't have to be in any certain specific, configuration. So charging wirelessly in your car is obviously the next up and coming thing. With the iPhone's been doing it for a little bit, Samsung doing it, of course, the Note, all those devices that are supporting wireless charging, you know, it's the next step, honestly. So when I kept seeing all the posts about the magnet mount on Instagram, on Facebook, I wanted to try it out because I'm always in my car, of course, doing videos, doing data logging, all that, in and out of the car. I wanted something that was strong enough, plenty of quality as far as on the device, all that, so that way I can charge my device on the go and, you know, have it just work, honestly. So I've been very happy with it. Like I said, using it for a week, every single day, hours and hours and hours, just testing out, trying different things, and it's been working great, and I have nothing but great things to say about it. Well, guys, if you want to just check out what I used today, I'll drop it in the description box below. Definitely check it out. That does it for today. Thanks for stopping in. Big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check you on the next video. See ya.